In this video, I'm going to talk about the one question that you can ask your clients in order to get testimonials that add powerful persuasion to your copy. So we all know that getting testimonials from clients can be a bit cringy, and we also know that the best way to get good testimonials is to give your clients some guidance. So tell them the questions that you would like to be answered in order to get great testimonials and not end up with really blah, boring, oh, she was really professional, oh, she was really on time, she was really organized, all the stuff that's a given, all the stuff that as service providers we have to be. You want your testimonials to help you stand apart from everybody else. You want your testimonials to make anyone who's reading the copy think, wow, this person is right for me. So in order to get testimonials that are not boring and bland, you need to guide your clients on the questions you want answered. Now, as we know, that can be difficult. Even collecting testimonials can be difficult. So there is one question that you can ask, even if it's the only question you ask, that will get you a really good testimonial answer. And that one question is, what was going on in your life when you decided to work with me? Another way of wording it is, what was going on in your business when you decided to come looking for, and then whatever solution you provide. So life or business, depending on your what you do, but asking about their life tends to give you a more robust answer. So the reason we ask that question is that it induces the person to tell a story. So it's unlikely that someone is going to answer you with, I just needed a copywriter. They're going to tell you about what was going on. So my business was growing really quickly. I couldn't keep up with all the marketing I was doing. I was feeling like I was spending all my time marketing, and I was sending people to a website that just wasn't converting. So all my efforts were in vain. I just kept spending all my time doing work that wasn't client facing, so I wasn't earning money. So you're going to get a really strong, robust answer that actually paints the picture of their life at that time. It's also very unlikely when you ask that question that they're going to stop with what was going on in their life. They're then going to talk you through, okay, and then I found you and this is what happens. That's how stories work. We kind of start telling the story and we finish the story. We give it a beginning, a middle, and an end. So if you ask nothing else of your clients when you ask for testimonials, or even if you're chatting to someone at the end of a project, just ask that one question. What was going on in your life when you decided to work with me? Or what was going on in your life when you came looking for a copywriter or a business coach or whatever it is you do? So that one question is so powerful. You can then use the answer, turn it into a story if you can use it in your copy as a story, or use it in all your collateral, in your content marketing, in order to actually help people that are reading your copy see why they should choose you, why you're different, and help you differentiate. So we know testimonials are important, but we know that not all testimonials are created equal. A testimonial about how you work, about that you're professional, that you're organized, that you always answer emails, that's not going to help people work with you. That is just going to be a given. Whereas if you can get a testimonial that paints a picture, that tells a story, talks about how you're different, talks about why you're unique, that is when testimonials become really powerful. So don't forget, the one question you have to ask your clients at the end of a project is, what was going on in your life when you decided to work with me?